What if one small device could automatically identify your electronic components, show their values, and even tell you the pin configuration of a transistor? Well, today we're testing exactly that. This is the FNIRSI LCR-P1 Multifunction LCR Transistor Tester. Let's unbox it, test some real components, and see if this compact tool is actually useful for electronics work. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, we get the FNIRSI LCR-P1 tester. The device itself is very compact, so it should be easy to keep on your electronics workbench or carry with you. Three test hooks, a USB Type-C cable, a replaceable test board, and the user manual. On the front, we have a 1.44-inch color display, and the main test button. There's also a USB Type-C port for charging and data, and the device comes with a built-in 300 mAh lithium battery. Now let's take a closer look at what this little tester can actually do. The LCR-P1 can measure resistors, capacitors, and inductors, which is where the LCR name comes from. But it doesn't stop there. It can also test transistors, diodes, MOSFETs, FETs, IGBTs, thyristors, batteries, and more. It also supports NEC infrared remote decoding, which is a pretty interesting feature for a component tester. Now, what makes this tester special? Let's break it down. Intelligent auto detection. Just plug in any component, NPN, PNP, MOSFET, capacitor, resistor, inductor, and press the big test button. The device automatically identifies the component type and pin layout, and shows you all the key parameters on screen. No manual setup, no guessing, just plug and play. Anti-burn protection. This is huge. The LCR-P1 automatically detects if you insert a charged capacitor and safely discharges it before testing. No more accidentally frying your device or burning yourself. First up, a transistor. I've got this random NPN transistor here. Insert it into the ZF socket. Press test button. Wait about 5 seconds, and boom. It correctly identifies it as an NPN transistor, shows the pinout. Awesome. Next, a capacitor. Insert a capacitor, press test. It reads the capacitance, watch this. If it was charged, the device would have safely discharged it first. Perfect for safety. The good thing is, if you can't read the resistor's color bands or you don't know its value, you can simply use the LCR-P1 to measure it. IR remote decoder. Now this is unexpected. Slide the switch to IR mode, point any remote at the device, and it decodes NEC infrared signals. Great for troubleshooting remotes. Zener diode testing. You can see this small button labeled Zener. Simply press this button, connect the Zener diode just like you would with other components, and then press the test button. Unfortunately, I don't have a Zener diode with me right now, so I can't demonstrate this feature today. Sorry about that. SMD adapter, which is very useful for testing small SMD components. You can place the component directly on the adapter, connect it to the LCR-P1, and then press the test button. This makes testing small surface mount components much easier. If you want to buy the FNIRSI LCR-P1, I've placed link in the video description. You can check it out using the link below. Overall, the FNIRSI LCR-P1 is a very interesting tool for electronics makers and technicians. If you regularly work with electronic components, this little tester can definitely make your work faster and easier. What do you think about the FNIRSI LCR-P1? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more electronics reviews and DIY projects. Thanks for watching.